Now I am discussing exercise 5.4 with you. Here I am discussing question number 1 with you. Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 series is given to us is its first negative term. Here we need to find nth term of the series where term should be a negative term. So first term is given to us 121. So we can easily find D by using A2 minus A1 is equal to D. So 117 minus 121 is equal to minus 4. D is equal to minus 4. By using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1, we need to find nth term of this series. AN is equal to, by putting value A is 121 and by putting the value of D is minus 4. We get AN is equal to 125 minus 4N. We have to find the first negative term of this series. So AN must be lesser than 0. Last term of this series is must be lesser than 0. 125 minus 4N, by putting the value of AN, which is 125 minus 4N, 125 minus 4N must be less than 0. So we get N is greater than 125 upon 4. Term never can be in the form of rational number or never can be a negative. Never can be in the form of decimal. Term ना तो कभी rational number की form में होती है ना ही कभी decimal number की. So we get N must be greater than 31.25. After 31.25 we get which term? 32nd term. 31 point में कभी नहीं आती, तो 31 से बड़ा कौन सा नंबर है? 32. 32nd term will be the first negative term of this AP. Any query? No query at all. Now comes to question number 2. The sum of the third and the seventh term of an AP is 6. This is given to us A3 plus A7 is equal to 6 and their product is 8. और इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 8 है. Find the sum of the first 16 term of the AP. So third term is 3 plus A7 is equal to 6. Instead of A3 we can write A plus 2D. Instead of A7 we can write A plus 6D. Here you can see A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. So we get 2A is equal to 8D is equal to 6. So we get A plus 4D is equal to 3. Or A is equal to 3 minus 4D. This is equation number 1. You can leave your answer here only. Clear? And this is given to us. Product of their terms is 8. A3 or A7, when we multiply them, we get 8. So A3 multiplied by A7 is equal to 8. Instead of A3, we can write A plus 2D multiplied by A plus 60 is equal to 8. From equation 1, we will write instead of A 3 minus 4D. Instead of A, we can write 3 minus 4D. So when we write it, we get 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8, or we get 4D square is equal to 9 minus 8, we get D square is equal to 1 upon 4. And D is equal to plus minus 1 upon 2. So D may be 1 upon 2 or maybe minus 1 upon 2. By putting both the value in this series of D is equation 1. A is equal to 3 minus 4 D पे D का value put करेंगे 1 upon 2. We get A is equal to 1. When we put the value plus, we get A is equal to 1. When we put the value minus, we get A is equal to 7. A का दोनों वैल्यू हम इक्वेशन में रख के देखेंगे कि क्या दोनों का सम 6 आ रहा है. ठीक है. After that, we need to find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. So by using the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket start 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we get our answer. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do
Yes, ma'am.
the questions quickly. दोनों important questions हैं. That's why I discuss with you. This is optional exercise. In second question, this is given to us third and seventh term का sum 6 है, so A3 plus A7 is equal to 6, or we can write instead of A3 we can write A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. By solving them, we get A is equal to 3 minus 4D.